Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going to be going over the health benefits, specifically how an adjustable base can help you with your lower back pain. It's a huge issue that we hear amongst all of our customers, and let's dive in a little bit to figure out what an adjustable base can do to help that.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
So laying on a flat mattress actually can create some tension in your joints and your muscles. When you have a mattress that has an adjustable base underneath it, it's going to raise your head a little bit and also raise your feet. Doctors recommend that you sleep with a pillow elevated underneath your legs sometimes, especially if you suffer from lower back pain. What this does is your natural curvature in your spine, this kind of puts it in its natural position to where you get that support in your lower back. So as you can see, I kind of have this mattress elevated on top, and I'll sit down here real quick. So as I lay on a flat mattress, I can notice my lower back is a little tight. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna adjust the head a little bit. So it raises my head, and then I'm gonna raise the legs above my chest. And what this does is it's gonna reduce the pressure in my lower back, and it's also gonna help with blood flow at the same time. So as I sleep throughout the night, the mattress stays in the position where if you had a pillow that sometimes doctors recommend doing, the pillow moves and can fall off the bed. The mattress stays in that position overnight, and it kind of forces you, once you get used to it, to sleep in this position. And I can feel that tension from my back automatically getting relieved from just that a couple seconds. And a lot of these remotes are custom programmed to where you can just push one button, it puts you in that sleep position that you like. Reality is there's a lot of health benefits to having an adjustable base on your mattress. This is just one of the ones that we hear all the time that our customers complain about and that everyone kind of suffers with on a daily basis. And once you get used to having an adjustable base, you spend a third of your life on that mattress. So having that adjustable base, to kind of having that set up, there's a lot of benefits, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.